What's up, Near Protocol holders? Welcome to another brand video. So there is a two scenarios to get a very huge profit from Near Protocol. Definitely I'm going to predicate, I'm going to do technical analysis for my viewer, my subscriber. So before I will start this brand video, remember to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon guys for videos notification. First of all, my friends, the Near Protocol condition, if we look out, so from last 1 hour, last 7 days, all change occur was completely decreasing. You can see another negative change occurring, and the rank was also 26 now. The volume was also decreasing, but the market cap was decreasing, so that's why the price was also decreasing now. It's very terrible condition for Near Protocol holders, but absolutely it is good news for short traders holders. For example, if you are trade now and future, and definitely this time a high opportunity, you will be get a very good profit from Near Protocol now. So my brother, absolutely after a crash every coin was pumping up. I know this, my friend, but for example like that, as you can see here. But my friend, this time if you take an entry 100%, my brother, I will give you guarantee to the price was pumping up. 4.15 USD dollar was the current price, you can see here, and there is a chances they will pumps up, my brother, 0.1 cent. All right guys, so I think absolutely you can see this was just only from last 4 hours, my friend, they will hit now. So that's why if you are trade now in last, for example for short time, definitely they will give you this highest target. But if you are trade now for a long time, for example for 24 hours, so there is also possibility they will hit now 5 USD dollar. And if you are trade now for last week, there is a chance they will hit now 0.6 to 0.78 USD dollar. So very high price targets, my brother. Hope you are understand and hope you will do this what I tell you, my friend. Definitely, my friend, in those days, especially if you look out the market conditions, so it is not comfortable, my friend. Absolutely all crypto market, when Bitcoin was crashing down, Ethereum was crashing down, so absolutely, my friend, all crypto market was totally crashing down. So that's why in this time, my friend, if we look out, my friend, this currency, so 100% you can see it is also crashing down. Why it is crashing down? Because Bitcoin was crashing down. My friends, my advice for everyone to kindly hold down in this time. You will need to be hold down. If you are hold 100%, they will recover all you will lost. But if you are starting selling, you will miss the opportunity, you will miss the chance of profit. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel for more videos.